Hello everyone, my name is Katya and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this chunky and soft scarf. It's an easy pattern and you can make it any size of your choice. Not including the fringe, my scarf is measuring 68 inches long and 10 inches wide. For this project, you're going to need your number 7 jumbo yarn. The one I'm using is by Loops and Threads. You're also going to need your 15.75 millimeter crochet hook. It's the jumbo one. And scissors. Slip knot to start. We need a foundation chain of 86. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue chaining until you have 86 chains. Here I work my 86 chains and this is how it looks like. Now if you want your scarf to be longer, you can continue and keep chaining as long as you want your foundation chain to be. For row 1, we're going to work 1 single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So not into this one, but into this one. We're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over one more time and pull through both loops. Now into the remaining chains, we're just going to work 1 single crochet across. Like that. I'm going to continue and work my single crochets all across my foundation chain. And I'll meet you at the end of row 1 to show you what to do next. Row 1 is finished. Now for row 2, which is a repeating row, we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and now what we're going to do is work single crochets into the back loops only. So picking up, usually we pick up both loops, but this time we're just going to be picking up the back loop, and we're going to work a single crochet. And we're going to repeat into each stitch across, working 1 single crochet into the back loops only. Like this. This is how it looks like so far. So continue working on row 2 and I'll meet you at the end of row 2 to show you what to do next. You should have 85 single crochets. At the end of row 2, there's 1 stitch left right over here, and don't forget to work your single crochet into that stitch. For row 3 and the remaining of the rows, it's a repeat of row 2. We're just going to chain 1, turn our work, and work 1 single crochet into each stitch across, going into back loops only. So here I'm inserting my hook into the back loop and working my single crochet. So I'm going to continue and work my single crochet until my scarf is wide enough. I'll let you know how many rows I worked exactly. And that's what you do. You just work 1 single crochet into back loops only until your scarf is wide enough. And that's pretty much it to this easy scarf. I went ahead and I worked 17 rows total. This is how it looks like. Now I have 1 stitch left. I'm going to go ahead and work my single crochet into the back loop. And I'm ready to fasten off. I'm going to chain 1, cut my yarn, which I already did, pull through and tighten it. To make your fringe, go ahead and cut 2 strands of yarn. Mine are measuring 16 inches long. I'm going to insert my hook right where the ridge is, right at the edge over here. And then what I did here is I evened them out and I have a nice big loop. So what I'm going to do is, using that loop, I'm going to place it right where my hook is, pull through just a little bit, like so. And now you have a loop. Go ahead and use all these tails and wrap them around your hook and bring them through the loop and pull through. All you need to do now is tighten it like that so they don't fall apart. And now repeat the same thing. So I'm going to find my next ridge, and coming to the edge, I'm going to insert my hook like that. And once again, using my 2 strands of yarn, I'm trying to even them out. And once I fold them in half, I'm going to use this loop, insert it onto my hook like that, or just place it onto my hook, I should say, and pull it out. Leave a nice long loop. Wrap your tails around your hook and pull through using the loop like that. And now just tighten it like so. So continue placing your fringe for each ridge that you see. Last thing, all you need to do is just go ahead and cut your tails. So the ones that are uneven, just cut them out and trim it. I'm going to do the same thing to all the rest of the fringe, and you're pretty much done. Here's our finished scarf. It came out super cute and very chunky. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.